Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. The Quick Access Toolbar. You can find the Quick Access Toolbar at the top of the window. This is used to access the icons that you often use. Here we can see Save, Undo and Redo buttons that are given by default. When you click on this drop-down button, you can see tick marks beside all the icons that are currently listed in the Quick Access Toolbar. Save, Undo, Redo, and Touch Mouse Mode. If you want to add anything new, let's say the New button, we can click on it and it will appear on the Quick Access Toolbar. You can add more of these icons like Print, Preview, Open, etc. Let us say if you use the Sort function from the Data tab, you need not go to the Data tab every time and click on the ribbon and click on Sort all the time. You can right-click on it and select Add to Quick Access Toolbar and it will be added to the Quick Access Toolbar, from where you can access it easily. Similarly, let's add Table and Arrange All. So now you can see there are these buttons that are available on the Quick Access Toolbar for easy and quick access. You can remove them by right-clicking on the Quick Access Toolbar icon and selecting Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. The Touch Mouse mode is used to change between using mouse and using your finger when you are using a touch screen. If you select the touch mode from this list, you can notice that the icons are separated by greater amount of space. This will allow you to touch them easily without touching a different icon than you intended to. Also, you can select on the option Show Below the Ribbon, which brings the Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon here. This is where I usually keep it because it is easier to access these icons when you're working on the spreadsheet. It is closer and it will make you use it more often. To access more commands or reorganize the icons in the Quick Access Toolbar, you can go to the drop-down and click on More Commands. Using this, you can reorganize all the icons in the Quick Access Toolbar. By clicking on this icon, you can see that there is a new window that opens up. In this, on the right side, you can see all the commands or the icons that we have in the Quick Access Toolbar. If we want to reorganize any of these, we can select on the function and click these up and down arrows to reorganize it in its position. If you want to add anything new to these commands, we can select it from the left list and we can click on the Add button and it will add it to the list on the right. We can similarly remove any function from here. Now you can see that we have the option for Cut in the Quick Access Toolbar. This is how we can use the Quick Access Toolbar to our advantage. This will speed up the way you use Excel. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.